Today I am going to demonstrate you how to collect the skin scraping from skin infection by dermatophyte. So we all know that for fungal infections we get ringworm infection or any infection by dermatophytes on the skin. We collect the sample skin scraping. So I am going to demonstrate you. So first of all I am going to make a circle over here. So on the arm of the patient, suppose this is the area of the infection. So this is the area of infection, and usually the ringworms are in a circular shape. So that's why I have drawn a circle here. So now just imagine that this is the area of infection. Now if you have to collect a sample, first thing you have to do is you have to clean the area before the collection. So I am not going to use any alcohol to clean this area, because I am going to use this sample for culture of the fungus which is responsible for this infection. If I am using alcohol, then that may affect with the viability of the organism. That's why I am going to clean it with a cotton swab that is dipped in normal saline. So this is a cotton swab which is dipped in normal saline. So I am going to clean this area using this cotton swab. So this is clean now. Now after it is cleaned by normal saline, I will allow this area to get dried completely. You have to leave it like this for it to get air dried. Now after it is air dried, as you can see, I have kept a paper below the arm. So this paper is where I am going to collect all the scrapings. So now I am going to take a scalpel. So I am going to take a sterile scalpel, and this is a non-invasive procedure. So even if I am taking a scalpel, I am not going to make any incision. This is only for scraping the skin. Now the important thing is, you see this is the area that is infected by the fungus. Now do not scrape anything from the center, because center is the area where you will not find any live fungus. The live fungus or the pathogen is present in the periphery of the lesion. So if you see this lesion, the area marked with the pen is the periphery of the lesion. So this periphery has the viable organism. So I am going to scrape it like this. So this is how we gently scrape the periphery, and the skin that is scraped from the periphery will fall down on the paper here. So this area on the paper we have to collect. So as you scrape it, the skin that is present in this area which is damaged by the infectious agent or the fungus will fall on the paper. So once you scrape it, you will see, if it's a real lesion, you would have seen that the scrapings of the skin will fall on the paper. Now once you have sufficient scraping, you will fold this paper. You can ask the patient to remove the arm, and once you have the scraping on the paper, you can fold the paper like this, and here you have to label it with the name, patient ID, type of sample, and time and date of collection. So these are the different informations that you have to give while collecting a sample. Now this thing goes inside an envelope, and again in the top of the envelope you have to fill all these details and send it to the laboratory for further processing.